over is we'll do a quick run through of what we've got through today. We'll start with a bit about Pharmx and what we're here to do. Then we'll walk you through the pharmacy portal as well as Marketplace and jump into a live demo, and we will finish with some time for questions for you as well. So while I'll hand over to my colleague Vanessa, who's our customer success manager here at Pharmx. But while she's doing the demo, feel free to add all of your questions into the Q&A section. If you can't see the Q&A section, there's also the chat area that you can do that too. So make sure that you just add any questions into there. And once the demo is done, we'll go through the questions and hopefully be able to answer most of them. If we can't answer any questions, we'll of course come back to you. And after the demo as well, after the whole webinar is finished, we will send through as much content that we can share with you after the fact as well. So don't worry if you've missed anything or haven't had your questions answered. You can also email us after the webinar too, and we will come back to you with any answers that we have. Alrighty, so let's go through the deck. So Pharmx, our mission and purpose. You know, we've been around for 18 years, and at our core, we exist to make a difference to healthcare, and in particular pharmacies and pharmacy owners, by reimagining how the industry connects. Now, our mission is simple. It's to provide the best ordering experience for the pharmacy sector. I know that's a massive claim, but that is our mission, that is our purpose, and everything that we build sits underneath that goal. I'm going to run through things a little bit high level today because we will go through the demo, which we will go into a little bit more detail. But at the core of everything Pharmx, the pharmacy portal is your home base. So it gives you visibility over your orders, your invoices, your spend, and your budget all in one place. So that's the pharmacy portal. Then you've got stock view. So stock view sits inside the portal and lets you check stock availability before you order, so you're not placing orders blind. These two tools have been the foundation of what we offer pharmacies for a very long time. And so we're really proud of what we've built here. And in the last, I guess it's 6 months now, we introduced Marketplace. And so that's what we're going to demo today. Now, Marketplace is where things get really interesting. It brings the widest range of suppliers in the industry into a single portal. You've got predicted stock availability, built-in promotions, and electronic invoicing all in one place. Now, the idea is that every order you place, you're getting the best price and the best chance of fulfillment. So no more switching in between systems. Now, we do have a number of new features on Marketplace. So obviously, when we built Marketplace 6 months ago, you've always been able to see what's in stock before you buy, place a single order for multi-supplier fulfillment. You are integrated with all major POS vendors, and you also pay according to your negotiated terms. Now, in those last few months, we've introduced a number of new features. There's a few things we've added which are worth calling out today. You can now do bulk and repeat orders in just a few clicks, which Vanessa will go through as well. You can upload orders directly from your POS or a spreadsheet. So, you know, placing a spreadsheet and then moving it straight into Marketplace and populating the order straight to cart makes it super easy. You can also use planogram ordering to make restocking faster. You can access deal sheet style ordering for promotions. And most of these new features came directly from feedback that we are hearing from pharmacies. So it's good to finally have them live. So just so you're aware, what we do is we actually speak to pharmacies every single day, and we have groups of pharmacies where we ask for feedback on certain things and certain features that we can improve on for Marketplace. And then we use that feedback to build and improve and continuously make Marketplace a better ordering system for pharmacies and order places. All right, so moving on. There we go. Okay, so you can see this slide here is, you know, it's meant to showcase complete product access. The slide shows a full picture of what's available through Marketplace. On the dispensary side, on the left-hand side, you've got things like Paragon Care giving you comprehensive pharmaceutical access, plus exclusive promotions and new supplier partnerships coming soon. So if you're new to Marketplace or you're thinking of joining, there is some new suppliers coming up soon, which we can't mention, but they will be on the Marketplace very soon with a much larger range. On the right-hand side, on the front of shop side, you've got the full CH2 range, plus direct suppliers, including names like Blackmores, Revlon, and Emco, as well as leading manufacturers like Bayer, Haleon, Kenvue, and Reckitt. It is genuinely one of the broadest ranges available anywhere. If you think about Pharmx, and if I can give you an analogy, if you think about Pharmx like a Westfield or a big shopping centre, a big shopping mall, we are, I guess, the foundation of holding all of those different vendors in one place so that you can walk through the marketplace and view multiple ranges, multiple products, multiple distributors and wholesalers all in the one place and place one order with multiple people. So I guess that's a different way of looking at things. And that's why we are proud to have the biggest range of suppliers on our marketplace. So we're getting very close to the demo part of this. But before I hand over to Vanessa, I just wanted to mention the rewards program. This is to make getting started even easier. Every order that you place through Marketplace earns you cashback rewards. So it is time limited and valid on first-time purchases. So if you've been sitting on the fence about getting active on Marketplace, this is a good time to sign up. And we will share details on how to claim at the end of the webinar and also in email comms post webinar. But this is a program for first-time purchases only. So if you haven't signed up for registration with us, now would be a great time to do it, just before the end of June comes about. Today, what we'll cover